End milling is a versatile machining process used to cut and shape materials using a rotating cutting tool called an end mill. This process is widely used in metalworking, woodworking, and other material shaping or removal applications. End milling involves using an end mill to make precise cuts into a workpiece. The end mill can cut in multiple directions, making it suitable for creating complex shapes, contours, slots, pockets, and profiles. End milling is used for a variety of operations, including slotting, contouring, plunging, profile milling, etc. Benefits of end milling: allows for high-precision cuts and intricate details. Can be used on various materials, including metals, plastics, and wood. Provides a good surface finish. End milling is a fundamental process in manufacturing, enabling the creation of precise and complex parts.